How's it going, kindergarten? Welcome back to Learning Math with me today for Group 2. And today we're going to be counting 10 objects within 10 and 20 objects, and we're going to call it as 10 ones and blank ones. So you're going to need a piece of paper today, and we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, so I have some boxes here, and I'm going to need your help to figure out how many boxes I have. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 boxes. And I know what some of you guys are saying. You're like, Mr. Huang, that looks like just what we do at school. Yeah. Remember what this is called? It's a tens frame. So remember, we could say it. This whole thing is a tens frame. And if I'm looking at one row, it's a 5 frame and a 5 frame. And all together, that is a tens frame. So today we're going to be using this tens frame to help us count. I have some blue cubes here, and I know that's a lot of blue cubes, right? So we're going to use our tens frame to help us count them. So I'm putting it down here. All right, so count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I filled up my whole tens frame, but I still have some ones over here that I didn't get to put yet. So watch me do this now. I'm just going to put them below the tens frame like this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can write this like this. I have blank ones and blank ones. So let's take a look at what we already did. How many ones did I have here already? Oh, if I forgot, I can count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah, I have 10 ones over here. So this part is I have 10 ones, and how many ones are down here? Let's count and figure it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, 8 ones. So you can say I have 10 ones, and here's that first group of 10 ones, and 8 ones, and this is the group of 8 ones. And I know what some of you guys are thinking, because you're so smart. You're saying, Mr. Huang, that is the number 18. Because if I count them all together, I get 18, right? So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That is so true. But another way of saying 18 is I have 10 ones and 8 ones. Great. We're going to do the next one together. Let me move these out to the side. All right. Now, I got some red cubes, and we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to need your help counting these red cubes. Uh-oh. Take this off. Take this off. Okay. So, we're going to do this together. So, I'm going to fill up my tens frame first. Help me count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, but I still have some left over. What should I do with them? Put it down below. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take a look. I have blank ones. Let's do this first part. How many ones do I have up top? 10 ones. I have 10 ones and blank ones. How many ones did not fit in the tens frame? 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So this number, I could call it as I have 10 ones and 4 ones. Some of you are already so smart. You're saying, Mr. Huang, that's the number 14. Yeah, but we could say 14 is 10 ones and 4 ones. All right, We're going to do one more together. Can you take a guess of what color I'm going to use next? If you said green, you are right. All right. So we're going to count these green ones. Ready? One. Oh, I got to take this off first. Okay, now let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 ones. Let me go ahead and put that already. I have 10 ones, but I'm not done yet. I still got some more. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 10 ones and how many ones? 6 ones. Let's check our work. I have 10 ones. Was this 10? Yeah. And 6 ones. Was this 6? Yeah. So I have 10 ones and 6 ones. And oh my gosh, some of you I can already hear you guys saying, Mr. Huang, that's the number 16. That's so true. But we could say 16 is 10 ones and 6 ones. All right. Now we're going to practice together. All right. Now we're going to practice on this piece of paper. And if you have a piece of paper and you have something to write with you right now, you can go ahead and pause this video. And if you wanted to draw all of this down, and you can do it together with me, okay? So we're going to take a look at this. All right. So we're going to count all of these objects. And every time I'm going to count, I'm going to cross one out so I don't lose track, okay? So same thing we did in our lesson. Let's look at this first one with the green triangles. So we're going to count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there is my first group of 10. So I have 10 ones and blank ones. How many ones is this? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So I have 10 ones and 3 ones. All right, next one. Remember, if you wanted to pause the video and answer it before me, you can go ahead and do that and we'll check our work, okay? Let's do these purple circles now. So it says, I have 10 ones and blank ones. So let's cross and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are my 10 ones. I have 10 ones and blank ones. How many ones do I have? 1, 2. So I have 10 ones and 2 ones. All right, and the next one. Let's take a look at these blue squares now. I have blank ones and blank ones. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my first group of 10. So I have 10 ones and blank ones. Let's figure out. I'm going to cross them out the other way so it helps me keep track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. So I have 10 ones and 6 ones. All right, and this last one. Let's count them. Let's see. I have blank ones and blank ones. All right, now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's my first group of 10. I have 10 ones and blank ones. Let's see. Oh, and 1 1. I have 10 ones and 1 1. Awesome job. All right. So on your piece of paper, you are going to do this next part. Let's take a look. It says, draw a picture. I have 10 small circles and 2 small circles. So go ahead and pause that video and draw that picture. I have 10 small circles and 2 small circles. Go ahead. All right. If you're back here now, I think you unpause the video and you're going to see if your picture matches my picture, okay? So it says, I have 10 small circles. Let me do my 10 small circles first. I'm going to do it like a tens frame, so that's easier for me, so I don't lose track. So I remember it's a tens frame is a 5 frame and a 5 frame. So at the top, it's going to have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. 5 and 5 make 10. Okay, so 10, I have 10 small circles. Yep, I did that. And 2 small circles. So let me draw my 2 small circles. 1, 2. So if your picture looks something like this, or if you drew your picture like circles everywhere, as long as you have 10 small circles and 2 small circles, you can give yourself another happy face because you did such an awesome job today. All right, so I'm going to ask you a question now. Over here, I had this number right here, right? 10 and 3, this first problem. So if you don't know, 10 and 3 is 13. So 13 is the same thing as 10 ones and 3 ones. Again, 13. So the number 13 is the same thing as 10 ones and 3 ones. Now, I want you to tell your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, or whoever is taking care of you, what is another teen number that we could do the same thing with? What is another teen number that we could do the same thing as 10 ones and blank ones? All right, scholars, great job today counting these teen numbers as 10 ones and blank ones. I will see you again on Tuesday. Hope you have a great weekend. Bye.